Hey, how's it going? So in this very first ink session, I just wanted to show you a simple way to break down a bike. And I found that using ink really helps in eliminating all the distracting details and just focusing on the main shapes. So here we go. The first shape that sticks out are the wheels, and so we'll represent them with circles. So I'll usually start with those big shapes first. And the next shape I see are the triangles that make up the main frame of the bike. And that's enough to get us started. And go ahead and just grab your favorite brush, and then I'm using sumi ink, but you can use any kind of black ink that you have. And just using the tip, I'm outlining the shapes. And you can vary the line by either pressing down on your brush or lifting up your brush and lightening up on the pressure so that the line is thinner. And you can really just take your time and figure out where you want your lines to be thicker and where in spots you want it to be thinner, because that variation kind of makes it a lot more interesting to look at. And already with just some simple shapes, it's easily identifiable as a bike, and that's what we're aiming for. And you could stop here, but adding a few more details gives it a more finished look. So you can go ahead and outline part of the wheel. And the chain. I'm just darkening up some of the spots to create more contrast. And then just really wispy lines for the spokes of the wheel. And that's pretty much it. You can vary it by adding maybe a basket or making it taller or smaller, or you can even make it a tricycle. Just have fun with it. And if you'd like to see more ink sessions, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with everyone. And yeah, see you in the next one.